Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the new codes on Dress to Impress. So the first one is CUPIDSCLOUD. I've already redeemed it. Press E, go to the section, and then you get this super cute floating cloud. I think it is super duper cute. The second one I have not redeemed. It's just ELLA, Ella. Redeem, you get this super cute skirt. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And let me know if they put out some new codes, because I heard there was 2 more codes, but I can't really find where it is. And let me just see the toggle on that skirt real quick. Oh, there's short and there's long. Cute. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.